Come on. What? Where are you going? Not that way. Come here. Izzy. Come here. Come on.
Cruise, baby, cruise.
Come here. Come here. Hi. Izzy. Hi. You say hi? Hi. Hi.
Oh, you go backwards.
Be careful. You're going to fall. You're going to fall, and if you don't get hurt too bad, it's going to be fine. We'll go over here.
Izzy, I don't think we have enough toys for you.
Hi. I thought you were coming over here. Come here. Whatever.
Where are you going?
Be good.
Izzy.